Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an I-cord. Crocheted I-cords are so fantastic when it comes to bags or belts on dresses or tops, using them for straps on tank tops or anything like that, using them on cardigans. I absolutely love how versatile I-cords are. So I'm super excited to show you guys how to do this. This one, it sounds really tricky. It sounds like a pain. It is so fast once you start going with it. So I'm gonna grab my hook and grab my yarn and we'll get started in just a second. Hi friends, real quick, if you guys wanna find out how to join the coolest crochet community on the internet, make sure you check out the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so like I said, today I am showing you guys how to do a crochet I-cord. So I started doing one just so I could show you kind of what it looks like. But I'll take this apart and show you how to start. So this is actually, it seems kind of tricky at first, because you also have to let one of the loops off of your hook sometimes, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Today I'm just using some Dishy worsted weight. This is just a Knit Pick Sweet Crochet cotton yarn, and a 5mm hook. So all you're going to do on this one is you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to insert your hook into that first chain. So not the closest one, but the furthest one from you. And you're going to pull up a loop. So you'll have 2 loops on your hook. And this is kind of where it gets tricky. So you're going to take this loop off of your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. And be careful, because if you pull this one too tight, it'll pull this loop out. So if you pull it too tight, it'll go away. So we're going to do our chain 2, go into that furthest chain and pull up a loop, slide that loop off of your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you go back into the loop you took off of the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you take your hook out of that furthest one, you yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you insert your hook back into that loop you took off your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Take the hook out, yarn over and pull up a loop, insert it back in, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you'll always have 2 loops on your hook, but sometimes you just have to take an extra one off. And you just keep repeating that until you get your I-cord as long as you want it. And if it gets to where you kind of have pulled it a little bit too much, you can just grab it really quick and pull a smidge. I try to pinch it a little bit to hold on to it so I don't lose it like I just did, but sometimes it just happens. Let's see, and then you pull it, and it's got a nice stretch to it. So it works really well for like belting crochet garments or like straps on crochet things. I love it. I use the I-cord a lot. And once you get into like your flow, it just kind of goes. So remove it from your hook, go through that first one, put it back on your hook, go through the second one. Yeah, and then you just keep going. And then once you get to the end, all I do is I will yarn over and I just pull through both of them. And that would be my I-cord. I don't know what I would use one this small for, but this is what it looks like. See if I can get it to... There we go. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And I apologize, the lighting, it's very bright outside right now. It's been snowing, so it's very bright outside. I even have a sheet in front of the window and it's not working. But yeah, so that's all you do for a crochet I-cord. So if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below, and then you would just weave in your ends like you normally would. It does look a little bit wonky at first because you got to get your tension and stuff down, but the best part about it is it works up relatively fast. So you don't really have to worry about it, but I love it. I think it's a lot of fun. My oldest can make these and turns them into necklaces because they're just a fun texture. But yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments, and if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!